Okinawa is an island located in southwestern part of Japan. It is famous for the longevity of its people. I came to know about this island from the book Ikigai. Not only do Okinawa people live much longer than the rest of the world's population, they also suffer from fewer chronic illnesses such as cancer and heart diseases. Many research have been conducted on the lifestyle of the island of Okinawa, where there are around 25 people over the age of 100 for every 1 lakh inhabitants, far more than global average. In this video, I will share few lifestyle choices which have been identified by researchers as a reason behind their longevity. Let's get started. The most common saying of Japan is hara hachibu, which means fill your belly to 80%. Okinawa people do not eat their stomach full, unlike us. When Okinawans feel that their stomachs reach 80% of their capacity, that is, started to feel full, they stop eating. They do not practice overeating and wearing down their bodies with long digestive processes. The extra side dish, the snack we eat, when we know in our hearts that we do not really need it. Usually, Japanese drink hot soup or warm water after food for better digestion. Researchers think that this pattern of diet is one of the important reasons behind their longevity. The second is Moai, connected for life. It is customary in Okinawa to form close bonds within local communities. Moai is an informal group of people with common interests who look out for one another. Within community, people help each other in every need, may it be financial or physical. The feeling of belonging and support gives the individual a sense of security, less stress, which helps increase life expectancy. The third is, whatever you do, do not retire. One surprising thing you notice living in Japan is how active people remain after they retire. In fact, many Japanese people never really retire. They keep doing what they love for as long as their health allows. Choose your Ikigai or purpose of life and continue doing it with love. Love your work so much that you do not want to escape from it. There are many such tips mentioned in the book Ikigai. I highly recommend to read that book. Else, you may subscribe my channel to get future video notification on such tips. Thank you.